Welcome back to the second part of my discussion on common misconceptions, myths, and wrong beliefs regarding healthcare. This second part will be addressing some common misconceptions that has to do with pregnancy and immediate period after delivery of the baby. Now, the first one I would like to address today as your gynecologist is some belief in some quarters that a woman should hide her pregnancy for long before going to the hospital or making it known to the general public because of evil eyes or people that may have evil intention toward the pregnancy. This may be dangerous for the woman and the unborn baby. This may explain why some women will not come to register for the antenatal care until 5, 6, 7 months in pregnancy. There are some care that the pregnant woman should even receive before pregnancy and early in pregnancy, that if this is delayed can lead to unwanted outcome both for the mother and the pregnancy. So the ideal time for you to register for antenatal care and confirm your pregnancy is after you have missed your period for 2 times, meaning about 2 months, 8 weeks, so that we can determine where the pregnancy is, the number of babies you are carrying, your health, the state of the baby. So don't allow fears and this belief that you must hide your pregnancy and you'll be coming to register late to make you have a very bad outcome. When you miss your period, come to the hospital, see your doctor, see your gynecologist, so that appropriate care can be commenced on time for you. Now, in the course of my practice, that this is also common belief I'm going to address the second point. People believe that a pregnant woman should not take cold water. Nothing is far from the truth. For people close to me and my loved one, I don't stop them from taking, whether if it is cold water, normal water, or warm water they want to take. The way the body is designed by the Almighty, where the water passes through, which is the intestine, is not the same thing as where the baby is. Some people believe when the pregnant woman takes cold water, the baby will be catching cold, will be shivering, or may be transmitted directly to the baby. This is very wrong. So if it is the cold water that will make the pregnant woman comfortable, or normal water or warm water, the pregnant woman should be free to take such water, because such belief is very wrong. Now, for those of us who grew up in local settings and in some rural area, and it's also in the city, people believe a pregnant woman should not take snail. They believe the baby will be drooping and drooling saliva after delivery. But this is very wrong. It is not correct. A pregnant woman needs very good sources of protein, and snail is a very good source of protein for the pregnant. When it is properly prepared, well fried, on whatever manner you like, if snail is not harmful to the mother, to the pregnant mother, it's not harmful to the baby. It's a very good source of protein. The same way other sources of protein are good for the mother, are good for the baby. So we should not deprive the pregnant woman and the unborn baby or babies very good sources of protein, including wonderful snails. Now, I'm also going to talk and address the last one in this second part of misconception about after the baby has been born. Some people believe that the baby should be bathed immediately, so that all this gummy on the part of the baby can easily be washed away and the baby will not grow up having a very dirty skin. Very wrong. Those things that are on the cover, that covers the body of the baby, helps to allow the baby to adjust to the immediate environment, the cold environment. You know, where the baby is coming from is warm. Immediately the baby is born, the environment is cold. So that it is not advisable to bathe the baby immediately after delivery. It will allow the baby to adjust to the colder environment and allow the baby to adjust to the new life. So nothing makes the baby dirty because the baby was not bathed immediately after delivery. So all these misconception myths should be discarded. Thank you as you wait for the next episode